Hey boys and girls, Dan here. I can't believe how far we've come. We're at a point where AI generated videos looks just as real as live footage. ByteDance has just unleashed this wild, crazy project called OmniHuman. In short, you feed it just one single image, add any audio or even another video, and boom, it brings that image to life in perfect sync. Let's dive into some examples. Now check this out.
You will become. And I know about this because I had the opportunity to stand on top of the Olympic podium and feel the weight of that gold medal around my neck. And I wouldn't have been there had it not been for the...
This demo takes one photo and not only nails the lip sync for the woman, but it also animates her entire body perfectly in time with the audio. Here's another mind-blowing demo here.
Boring is easy. Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a cereal either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, aren't we on the same team?
Notice how it gets every little detail right. His teeth stay consistent, and it even brings in the background figures casually walking in.
What would art be like without emotions? It would be empty. What would our lives be like without emotions? They would be empty of values. So a famous classical poet said, "We hate and we love. Can one tell me why?" Catullus. Science does not answer why questions.
It's crazy how it picks up on subtle cues, even animating his breathing. The level of detailing is off the charts. It's absolutely insane. Now let's look at this other example.
My first guest is the man who made electric cars a thing and is currently working on perfecting reusable rockets, space travel, connecting the human brain directly to computers, connecting cities with electromagnetic bullet trains, the Starlink satellite system that's so important to the war in Ukraine. And then on Tuesday, it's going to work on that.
Super impressive. Look at how it animates his entire body. Even when the audience laughs, the AI smartly keeps its reactions separate from the audience. Here's one more. This one is insanely realistic.
Now, some of you may know me as a stand-up comedian and from my appearances on Roast, but I am not here to roast you tonight. I want you to know that. And how could I, really? You're all so famous, so talented, so powerful. I mean, you could really do anything.
The way her head and body move is so natural. It's perfectly in tune with the audio.
These principles will not only make your user's journey more pleasant, they'll contribute to better business metrics as well. Users hate being interrupted, and they hate getting broken experiences. Keeping these principles in mind in your app design makes for a better user journey.
All right, again, the full body animation is just incredible, down to the movement of his feet and even the background elements. Now let's look at this project in more detail.
Oh, nothing, just, stretching before we hit the aisles. Shopping is the #1 cause of pulled hamstrings. Probably didn't know that.
Not only works with footage, but also with cartoons. I'm talking about anime or even those tricky poses. Imagine generating an anime image with flux or stable diffusion and making it speak with a dialogue that you want. Now let's switch to 3D characters.
Yes, this is his position in 2 words. A little while since, he obtained an excellent offer of employment abroad from a rich relative of his, and he had made all his arrangements to accept it.
The lip sync and facial animation here are top-notch. It even animates environmental details like falling snow with crazy realism. Honestly, with a tool like this, anyone could eventually create their own Pixar-style movie with just a laptop. Forget the need for expensive animation studios. And look, it works with animals too.
希望我的小猫永远健康，永远快乐，长命百岁，好不好？
That's pretty fantastic. At this point, I'm eagerly speechless. Everything in those demos is absolutely flawless.
Me? Yes, I would love to talk about something important and think about an idea worth sharing.
If you catch any issues, drop a comment because so far it looks perfect to me. Now, here's an abstract example. A vegetable character animated with incredible quality.
哦，嘿，你们是怎么发现我的？虽然我知道这样说有点不合适，但是为了你们的健康着想，希望你们记得多吃蔬菜。
This is just wild. And here's some rapid fire demos with tricky poses. One shows a woman resting her head on her hand, while another one features a mass subject that really pushes the boundaries.
Όταν κάποιος είναι ερωτευμένος, μπορούμε να πούμε την έκφραση «τον πονάει το δοντάκι». Αυτό
现在住台南，租房子，因为工作的关系。
Absolutely insane. Now let's shift gears to musical theater. These demos open up a world of creative possibilities. It's just crazy. Now here's another example featuring different languages.
我不后悔遇见你，更不后悔喜欢上你。谢谢你给我带来的快乐，只希望你每天都开心。
And here's one of someone driving with the background animated so smoothly it really sells the effect.
You want me to tell people that I've spoken with God?
Now in this demo, while there's a dramatic message about choosing peace over vengeance, take a moment to appreciate the fine details, like how natural the earrings are with the movement of the face.
We would be justified to seek vengeance. But instead, we will choose peace. We must choose peace.
Each one nails every little detail, down to every hand having all the 5 fingers. We're way past the era where AI struggled with realistic hands. Now look at this demo. The original reference video appears on the top left. In one section, the AI syncs the first frame with the new audio, generating its own movement. In another, it matches both body and hand movements from the reference video. Only the lip sync changes. I've seen tools like Microsoft Versa 1 shows live portraits with Echo Mimic V2 V4, but OmniHuman by ByteDance completely outclasses them. It's far more realistic and natural, truly mind-blowing. Benchmark tests show it leading the pack in both portrait and full body animation. So what do you think? Should this tool be made public or is it way too dangerous? With capabilities like this, deepfakes could hit a whole new level. Well, this tech just dropped a few days ago and I'm completely blown away by its potential. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome updates. And don't forget to sign up to my Discord channel. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.